Factory car speakers sound flat, distort at volume, and make every drive feel like you're listening through a tin can. The right speakers transform your commute into a concert, with crystal clear highs, punchy mids, and bass you can actually feel. These 5 picks cover everything from audiophile-grade components to budget-friendly upgrades, and one of them is built for serious SPL builds. Let's get into it. The JBL GTO609C is the best audiophile component speaker system. The 6.5-inch separates that deliver premium sound quality for drivers who refuse to compromise on audio fidelity. The component design separates the woofer and tweeter, allowing optimal placement for superior sound staging and imaging that coaxial speakers simply cannot match. The carbon-injected +1 cones are larger than other 6.5-inch speakers, moving more air for deeper, more powerful bass that transforms your car into a listening room. The soft dome tweeters feature oversized voice coils for greater heat dissipation and higher power handling, delivering smooth, fatigue-free highs even at high volumes. The patented I-mount system offers unmatched flexibility for flush or surface mounting your tweeters, and the dual-level tweeter volume adjustment compensates for less than perfect speaker placement. The 3-ohm impedance compensates for the undersized wires found in many cars, making the most of every watt your stereo delivers. For audiophiles who demand the best sound quality, imaging, and build quality from a component speaker system, the JBL GTO609C is the audiophile pick that sets the standard. The JBL GTO609C delivers audiophile-grade sound with premium component design, and the price in the description reflects that exceptional quality. Check the link below and grab it today. Audiophile sound, JBL quality. The AUDIOTEK 650 watts is the best budget coaxial speaker. The 6.5-inch 4-way system that delivers impressive sound quality and versatility at a price accessible to virtually anyone. The 4-way design combines a polypropylene woofer with silk dome tweeters for a balanced tonal range that brings your music to life. Each speaker handles 90 watts RMS and 325 watts peak, with a total system power of 180 watts RMS and 650 watts peak. Plenty of clean output for most factory head units and aftermarket amplifiers. The 92 decibel sensitivity means they produce loud, clear sound even with lower-powered head units. The moisture-resistant rubber surround ensures durability in varying conditions, and the stamped steel basket resists resonance for cleaner sound. The coaxial design simplifies installation, fitting most standard 6.5-inch locations. For budget-conscious drivers who want a simple, affordable speaker upgrade with impressive power handling and balanced sound, the AUDIOTEK 650 watts is the budget pick that delivers genuine value. The AUDIOTEK 650 watts delivers impressive power and balanced sound at a budget price. And the deal in the description makes it the smartest value pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Big sound, small price. The TUMAN Pro is the best budget all-rounder. The 6.5-inch 4-way coaxial speaker system that delivers clear, balanced audio at an accessible price point. The 4-way design features an injection cone woofer with mylar tweeters, including a dedicated mid-range tweeter for a full frequency response from 70 Hz to 20 kHz. Each pair handles 500 watts peak power with 50 watts RMS per speaker, providing enough clean output for most factory and aftermarket systems. The 4-ohm impedance ensures compatibility with virtually any head unit or amplifier, and the 84 decibel sensitivity produces clean sound even with lower-powered sources. The compact mounting depth of just 2.2 inches and 5.6-inch mounting diameter fit most standard vehicle locations, making installation straightforward. The package includes mounting hardware and speaker wire for a complete installation experience. For budget-conscious drivers, students, and anyone who wants a simple, affordable speaker upgrade with balanced sound and easy installation, the TUMAN Pro is the budget-friendly pick that delivers reliable performance. The TUMAN Pro delivers balanced sound and easy installation at a budget price. And the deal in the description makes it the smartest all-rounder. Check the link below and grab it today. Solid sound, accessible price. The STX Audio 1200 watts is the best large-format coaxial speaker. The 6x9-inch 4-way system that delivers massive power handling and full-range sound for drivers who want to fill their vehicle with audio. The 4-way design combines a polypropylene woofer with silk dome tweeters for a balanced tonal range that covers everything from deep bass to crisp highs. Each speaker handles 150 watts RMS and 600 watts peak, with a total system power of 300 watts RMS and 1200 watts peak. Enough clean output to satisfy most aftermarket systems. The 4-ohm impedance ensures compatibility with virtually any head unit or amplifier, and the 6x9-inch format fits standard rear deck and door locations in many vehicles. The moisture-resistant rubber surround ensures durability, and the stamped steel basket resists resonance for cleaner sound. For drivers who want massive power handling and full-range sound in a large-format speaker, the STX Audio 1200 watts is the big power pick that delivers impressive output. The STX Audio 1200 watts delivers massive power handling and big sound in a large format speaker. And the price in the description makes it a serious contender. Check the link below and grab it today. Big power, big sound. Closing out the list with the Pioneer P.R.O. Series TS-B 351 P.R.O., the best high-efficiency SPL tweeter, designed for serious sound pressure level builds and professional-grade car audio systems. The 3.5-inch bullet tweeter features a titanium diaphragm that delivers crisp, detailed high-frequency reproduction with exceptional clarity. The aluminum die-cast chassis provides superior durability while minimizing vibration and ensuring premium sound quality. The power handling is impressive at 300 watts maximum and 150 watts continuous, making these tweeters capable of keeping up with the most demanding high-output systems. The frequency response ranges from 3 kHz to 22 kHz, covering the entire high-frequency spectrum with seamless integration. The 100 decibel sensitivity means these tweeters produce powerful, clear sound, even with minimal power input, making them ideal for SPL competitions and high-output builds. For car audio enthusiasts building serious SPL systems, competitors, and anyone who wants professional-grade, high-frequency performance, the Pioneer P.R.O. Series TS-B 351 P.R.O. is the high-efficiency pick that delivers unmatched output. The Pioneer P.R.O. Series TS-B 351 P.R.O. delivers professional SPL performance with titanium clarity. And the price in the description reflects that competition-grade quality. Check the link below and grab it today. Professional SPL, Pioneer quality. Before we wrap, if this breakdown just helped you find the right car audio speakers for your ride, tap that subscribe button right now. 1 second of your time keeps us making honest, in-depth reviews every single week. Every subscriber genuinely matters to us. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because car audio deals move fast. If this helped you find the perfect speakers for your vehicle, smash that like button and subscribe for honest reviews every week. See you in the next one.